Hello everyone, this is attorney Yasin Akan. Our attorney Emre Ene and I will be answering some of the frequently asked questions in this video about the green card applications. Please continue to watch for more details. Thinking about applying for a family-based green card? Now is the time to act fast. With Joe Biden stepping down, a new president is on the way, and getting your application in before the change could give you a big advantage. Right now, under the current administration, green card applications through marriage, your child or your parents are being approved quickly, sometimes without even needing an interview. But if a new president steps in, the process could slow down, making it harder and more time consuming to get your green card. So if you're planning to apply for a family-based green card, don't wait. Now is the best time to get started. Did you receive a letter like this from the US government? Don't worry, they're not calling you to war. Recently, there have been some rumors on social media about the US government sending selective service notices. Some recipients have mistakenly thought they're calling us to war or the World War III is here. First of all, relax. This letter is not a call to war. If you're a male US citizen or a green card holder between the ages 18 and 25, this letter is just a reminder. The US government requires men in this age group to register for selective service, which is basically a way to keep a record of those who could be drafted in an emergency. That's why you received this letter.
What do you do if you filed a petition as a green card holder and now you're a US citizen? So, you filed a petition for your relative while you were a green card holder and now you become a US citizen. What's the next step? First off, congratulations on becoming a US citizen. Now, here's what you need to know. When you change your status from a green card holder to a US citizen, you should notify USCIS or the National Visa Center about this change. This is called upgrading your petition. Why is this important? Upgrading your petition can potentially speed up the processing time for your relative's immigration application because immediate relatives of US citizens generally have shorter waiting times compared to those of green card holders. But here's a key point. Sometimes the upgrade isn't necessarily faster. For example, if you were petitioning for your unmarried adult child under the F2B category as a green card holder and now you're a US citizen, it would automatically convert to F1. But here's the thing, F2B is often faster than F1. So you can actually opt out of the automatic upgrade to F1 and keep your F2B priority date. It's all about making the best decision for your family's immigration journey.
How to apply for a green card for your parents? Thinking of applying for a green card for your parents? First things first, you need to be a US citizen. And just like we've discussed before in our videos about spousal green cards, the process depends on where your parents are currently living. Are they in the US or abroad? If your parents are already legally in the US, you can go through a process called Adjustment of Status, AOS. This means they can apply for their green card without leaving the country. This method is usually quicker and less complicated because they don't have to travel back to their home country. During the AOS process, they can also apply for work and travel permits, which can be a great advantage while waiting for their green card. However, keep in mind that some visa types like the J1 with 2-year home residency requirement might have restrictions on applying for adjustment of status. If this is your situation, it's best to consult with an expert like us. If your parents are in another country like Turkey, you'll need to go through consular processing. First, you submit the application to USCIS. Once approved, it moves on to the National Visa Center (NVC) and then the US Embassy or consulate in their home country. They will need to attend an interview and submit all required documents to complete the process. This method can take a bit longer, so it's essential to have everything well prepared and be patient. Navigating these steps can be tricky. Don't worry, we are here to help. For more details and assistance with the green card application process for your parents, feel free to reach out to us. We will guide you through every step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.